What is going on, guys? We have the very first of many what is selling with Carter Golden. Today I'm going to be telling you what kind of stuff is selling for me and break it down with buy cost, what it sold for, minus fees, shipping, everything, and then the total profit. I'll let you guys know where I got the shoes or cleats or whatever I'm selling, and then I will tell you where I sold it. So let's get right into the video. So first are these Superfly 6 Elite. I got them from the Nike outlet for $45.90. So these are a very good price, I believe. I bought 7 of these. This is a size 12. It's a bit bigger, but it sold pretty fast. So with a buy price of $45.90, I sold them and on GOAT and got a payout of $108, which leaves me with $62.22. So pretty good profit on that. High ROI, somewhere around 150 ROI. Probably a little less than that, but very good. Look out for these. Next are these Nike Air Zoom Direct, I believe. They're men's golf shoes, size 12. I bought these for $26, $26.99 at Burlington, actually. And I just recently sold them like a couple minutes ago for $90. So minus the Poshmark fee of 20%, which is $18 on that, I'm going to make $45. So that's about a 200% return, which is pretty good. It's a little less than that, but very good for this shoe. Check them out. Another pair of Mercurial, I don't know how to say it. Vapor 7 Elite, I believe. These were probably the best find I've had so far, other than getting the off-whites on a drop. I sold these for $219.99. I did accept a couple offers at $180, and then another one around $200. But both of the buyers on eBay did not send payment. So that is a problem on eBay, about people not paying on when you accept an offer. So what a lot of people do is, if someone offers something that you will take, you send them a message back, decline it, and send them a message back saying, I lowered the price on the item to your offer, feel free to purchase. And then you set it to automatic, or where they need to pay immediately, so that you'll get the money right away. These for $219.99. I paid only $26.77 at Burlington. I paid $28.60 in fees, $8.50 in shipping, and total I made $156 off of this purchase. It took 74 days to sell. I think it should have sold sooner because I did accept those offers, so there was a lot of interest in them. And I was also the only person with this shoe in this size. Next we have the Nike Hypervenom 3 Pro. I got these at Marshall's for $31.49, and I sold them for $99 on Poshmark. Paid $19.80 in fees and ended up with $47 profit here. Another pair that just sold, the Nike ACG Dog Mountain men's. I picked up 5 of these a while back, and I have 2 left now. They didn't sell as quick as I thought they would, but still a very good return. So I sold these for $75. I was looking more for $90, which is what I sold the other ones for, but I accepted the offer. I want to get these out, get these moving. I'm making a good profit still. So I sold them for $75. I paid $25.20, $15 Poshmark fee, so I sold on Poshmark, and I was left with $34.80 as a profit, which is over 100% ROI. I bought these at the Nike outlet, my actual very local one, and sold them on to Poshmark. Here's the breakdown for the... That's going to be the end of the video. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more. I plan to be posting these weekly, hopefully, along with shoe reviews and other tips for selling. Just let me know any videos you want to see, and I will probably make them. Thank you.